Welcome to Healthy Naturally. Today we're going over 7 surprising beauty benefits of apple cider vinegar. Be sure to watch until the end to discover exactly what the mother is. Before we get into the video, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss videos when we upload them. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Apple cider vinegar has been around for quite a long time. As far back as 400 BC, Hippocrates used apple cider vinegar as a treatment for his patients. There are many reasons to love apple cider vinegar. One reason to love it is because it has several benefits for the beauty and the health of skin and hair. Always get the ACV, or apple cider vinegar, with the mother. Apples are good for you as they contain vitamin C, ascorbic acid, which helps your skin and body produce collagen. Apples are also full of other nutrients like vitamin A, which your skin needs to properly function and stay smooth and supple. Copper arms your skin against the harmful UV rays of the sun. It has a great deal of other nutrients also. There is something to the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Eating apples is great for your health and your skin. You can also use apple cider vinegar in your skincare routine and reap some great beauty benefits. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, contains acids and vitamins and minerals that are good for your skin. Apple cider vinegar is made from crushing apples and adding bacteria and yeast to cause fermentation. This turns the sugar into alcohol, then to vinegar. The health benefits are many. It is effective against germs, fungus, and viruses. It has been known to treat the common cold, reduce cholesterol, and assist with diabetes. Many swear by it to help in weight loss. To use ACV in your beauty routine, use the unfiltered ACV, the kind that says "with the mother." This kind contains the enzymes and it is also unpasteurized. Always dilute it with distilled water. Here are just 7 of the great beauty benefits of ACV. Number 1, fight acne. ACV is effective against bacteria. It helps acne from forming. It cleans and balances the pH of your skin. However, ACV can assist with this because it can kill germs and clean your pores. The acids in ACV can exfoliate, clean pores, and over time reduce acne scars and the darkened skin from acne. How to do it. Mix 1 part to 4 parts distilled water. Use a cotton swab and apply a thin layer to your skin, but avoid your eyes. Let this mixture sit for a few minutes, then rinse. Do this 1 to 3 times a week to start. Apply a moisturizer afterwards. Make sure to test on a small portion of your jaw beforehand to make sure it doesn't burn. If so, do not use. Number 2, skin toner. ACV is an astringent. It can clean your skin and remove dirt and oil from your pores. It will balance the pH and make your skin refreshed and soft. How to do it. Mix apple cider vinegar with distilled water. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to 2 cups of water. Use a cotton ball to apply. No need to rinse. Always make sure you do a test spot beforehand. Number 3, get rid of dandruff. ACV will help with extra yeast growing on your scalp, causing inflammation, resulting in dandruff. Since apple cider vinegar is effective against yeast, it cleans your pores and it balances pH. It's a great dandruff aid. How to do it. Mix equal parts ACV and distilled water and rinse your hair with it, then shampoo. If you don't like the strong smell of ACV, just mix a little in your shampoo instead. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes before rinsing. Number 4, neutralize odors. Since the acids in apple cider vinegar have the ability to balance pH, It helps to get rid of odors. It is an antiseptic and can help you with foot odors because it gets rid of germs and bacteria. It can also be effective against athlete's foot as it is antifungal also. How to do it. Mix 1/4 cup ACV with 3/4 cups distilled water. Soak your feet for 10 to 20 minutes each day, then rinse. Rub on some lavender oil for an extra benefit. Number 5. Exfoliate and soothe skin. ACV contains acetic acid that soothes skin and malic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid that exfoliates skin. Your skin will be soft and smooth. New skin cells are revealed as old dead skin cells are exfoliated. Malic acid will also help reduce any dark spots or hyperpigmentation you may have. How to do it. Always mix with water because straight ACV can disrupt the skin barrier. Just pour some in your bathtub with warm water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. In a normal-sized tub, use about 1 cup. For the face, make sure to dilute it at a ratio of 1 part to 4 parts distilled water. Test on a small portion of the jar to make sure it does not burn. A tingle is good, though. Number 6. Brighten discolored nails. Apple cider vinegar can be used to whiten your nails if the discoloration is caused by infection. ACV is an antifungal and will whiten any yellow discoloration of your nails due to a fungus infection. If your nails are stained by polish, then you can use just plain white vinegar to whiten them. How to do it. For antifungal whitening, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup warm water. Soak your nails for 20 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Dry and then massage with olive oil. Repeat 2 times a day until discoloration is resolved and nails are white again. For stain whitening, mix 1 teaspoon plain white vinegar with 1 cup of water and soak your nails for 20 minutes. Rinse, dry, and apply olive oil. Repeat twice a day until nails are white again. Number 7. Weight loss. ACV has been known to help in the battle of weight loss. There are a couple of studies that showed the promising effect of apple cider vinegar on belly fat. It is promising, and some swear that it works for them. In the Journal of Functional Foods, a study in 2013 was published that suggested drinking apple cider vinegar before eating is linked to smaller blood sugar spikes. In 2010, in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism, a study was cited that stated 2 teaspoons of ACV at mealtimes reduced sugar crashes and kept blood sugar levels stable. This could be linked to compounds in apple cider vinegar that stop or decrease the absorption of some starchy foods. How to do it. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons in distilled water and consume at least twice a day. Drink the mixture with a straw to protect your tooth enamel. Make sure you dilute with enough water also to protect your throat and stomach lining at a ratio of about 10 to 1. Most people don't like the taste. You could add lemon and stevia for a much better tasting drink, or the fruit or flavors of your choice. Okay, ready to find out what the mother is in apple cider vinegar? The mother is the beneficial bacteria formed in the fermentation process when the apple cider vinegar is made. It is those white strands or pieces that you see at the bottom of the bottle of your ACV. You can also use this to make more apple cider vinegar from hard apple cider. Most of the vinegar you find in stores is pasteurized and does not contain the mother. Make sure the apple cider vinegar you buy for beauty and health has the mother. You will see strands in the bottle floating around, and it should say so on the bottle. I hoped you liked the video. If you did, Subscribe for more health tips, tricks, and recipes. Also, share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.